Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap. In front of all of you, I am presenting the Economic Time newspaper headline. So, first of all, cigarette liquor sales bug consumer industry trend. Next, Samsung Apple gain smartphone revenue shares has Chinese cause lag. Next, stakeholders want safe harbor provision retained in digital bill. Next, coal stock may stay low at power plants. Next, 10 more banks set to join syndication for Reliance $3 billion loan. Next, SDFC selling reality loan up to rupees 1000 crore. Next, private sector can strengthen India's digital ecosystem. Next, Brookfield looks to put $1 billion in Avada. Next, government opposes same-sex marriages. Next, PM hits out at Rahul for remark on democracy. On page number 2, in pure politics section under that, government opposes same-sex marriage, says it will wreak havoc in society. Next, PM slams Rahul for his remark on democracy. Next, members enjoy freedom to express views in LS speaker. Next, customary session eve meet pointer to what lies in store. Next, B session may be stormy has opposition plans protest. Next, it's PM who attacks democracy. That's why discussion are held on in Congress. Next, anti-national activities will be dealt with firmly. Shah. Next, Gujarat to host 4-day event to promote investment in cow-based industry. Next, Shinde government faces OPS heat has unions threaten strike. On page number 4 in pure politics section under that, MHA said to give note to prosecute PFI leaders. Next, renewables portfolio for of 4GW. Next, BJP plans layered campaign in run-up to Lok Sabha elections. Next, some loans remain. Next, early bullet train desirable but safety first, JICA president. On page number 5 in brands section under that, cigarette alcohol sales shine in inflation hit weak FMCG market. Next, soft drinks market likely to see magnificent growth, says PepsiCo bottler Varun Beverage. Next, IPL ads deal Dragon has Disney star Viva for cause attention. Next, ad regulator to keep a watch on guideline violation during IPL. On page number 6 in brand and companies section under that, two-wheeler PV export decline in Fab. Next, Simply Work plans rupees 750 crore expansion. Next, Nanda's Foods FY23 revenue may jump 80%. Next, Arzu partners Amber Dixcon on for home appliances. Next, transformation of Air India needs more involvement in details at lower levels. Next, EV players may challenge move to withhold subsidy. Next, government may cut subsidies on e-bikes in a phased manner. Next, Godrej Properties acquires 28 acres of land in Bengaluru. Next, Amazon, its affiliates lease over 8 lakh square feet in Gurugram, Hyderabad. Next, Samsung and Apple gain smartphone revenue share has Chinese rivals lag. On page number 7 in economics time market section under that, Nifty could slide further on weak global sentiment. Next, SVB collapse exercises of private market spilling over to public market. On page number 8 in smart investing section under that, Tata Reliance most valued business group. Next, crowd funding for startups gets catch in regulatory glare. Next, now Bank of Maharashtra slashes home rate loan rates. Next, over 12 months inflows into index funds outrun all others to touch a record high. Next, HDFC mandates A&M to sell reality loans of up to rupees 1000 crore. Next, access of private market. Next, open interest high among retail investors but willings not quit. On page number 9 in company section that cannot rest in peace when it comes to cyber. Next, mutual fund industries being vilified baselessly, AMFI. Next, tax mop up may miss target. Next, Chhattisgarh plant stake sale key to NMDC steel stock. On page number 10 in disruption section under that, Apple's under display face ID only in 25. Next, Android 13 QPR3 beta 1 update soon. Next, EV cause meet officials to explain fame to mispricing allegation. Next, SVB crisis puts 1 lakh plus jobs in red. Y Combinator in plea to US Treasury Secretary. Next, how US bank SVB's sudden collapse can hurt Indian startups. Next, retain safe harbor provision. Stakeholders at data will meet. Next, Microsoft to unveil GPT-4 this week. Next, India needs a healthy third telecom operator, Nokia CTO. Next, from coding buddies to HR assistants, Indian IT firms take a generative AI. Next, gaming co Nazara says two subsidiaries have rupees 64 crore in collapsed SVB. On then it comes to page number 11 in economy and companies section that Australia India trade can be scaled up to $100 billion. Next, capex 5G expansion plans. Next, focus on safe payment solutions. On page number 12 in the added page section of that for small stores to be big e-league. Next, Australia India ties solid line and length. Next, wealth in vaccine nations. Next, leave God out of it. Next, don't add to over spinning wows. Next, fat now on the front burner. Next, new shift may not be optimum. Next, home finance to be a finance pro. Next, India getting picky with FTAs. Next, in praise of the daily. On page number 13 in economic financial section under that, are you a, cubicle cat or Kach Kola? Test your office personality. Next, activist investor triggers real life K-pop battle. Next, computers tracing apples involving to be auctioned. Next, what is Squalene? Next, bookstore chain Divulgels divulges the reasons it outsetted its former CEO. Next, back in business. Next, Man United held 0-0 by Southampton. Next, Lineker set to return as host of flagship BBC show. Then I comes to page number 14 in economy and company section under that. AII eyes on new HUL chief has FMCG market battles disruptive challenges. Next, power units may miss closing coal stock target has heat source. Next, India's coal dependency. On page number 17 in that Adani promoters prepay $2.15 billion margin linked loan. Next, Chandrasekhar to meet executive from SVB hit startup this week. Next, access of private market spilling over to public market. Registrar of cause order puts crowdfunding by small cause under cloud. Then I comes to page number 18. IT MOS to meet executives from SVB hit startups. Next, no federal government bailout for Silicon Valley Bank Yellen. Next, SVB executive was Lehman Bros CFO period to 2008 crash. Next, China retains central bank chief FM. Next, US sanctioned general named defense minister. Next, Sunak visits US to unveil Australian nuclear sub plan. Next, Ukraine Russia say hundreds of troops killed in Bakhmut. Next, Saudi Aramco post record profit of $161.1 billion in 2022. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.